Good morning, guys. It's like 8:45. I'm still so tired. But today's a chill day, and I think we're going to the water park, and it doesn't open till 10. So my mom and sister just went downstairs to get breakfast. They're gonna bring it up to me because I have yet to get out from under the covers. It's very cold in our room, but I want to get up and show you the savannah because there's some animals outside. So I'm gonna get up and go and do that and show you guys because they're really cute. It's freezing. It's not up to 70. I know it's not. We're eating breakfast. There's Mickey waffles and eggs and potatoes and some kind of pap thing. And then Mickey waffles with sausage and bacon. My sister got a cheese Danish, and there's orange juice and an apple juice, and I got also lemonade. So we're gonna enjoy this. So, change of plans. We're not going to Blizzard Beach today, but we have Food Lagoon on Tuesday. But we're going mini golfing and then to downtown Disney to like shop and stuff and to grab food. Here's my outfit of the day. Before I forget to show you, I just have my heart necklace on that Adam gave me a few years ago for my birthday. I have this off-the-shoulder red shirt, which I don't think you saw because I just threw it in my suitcase right after filming that packing video. Some white shorts and my Disney Vans. So I have those on. My hair is still wet from last night, so I might leave it down, but it's gonna puff up, so I'm gonna probably put it up in a bun. And my makeup is really natural. I just have literally concealer, highlighter, and brow gel on. That's it. So we're gonna leave the hotel room now. Winter summertime miniature golf course right by Blizzard Beach, and it's like half of it's winter, half of it's summer. It's also really hot and I really want to go swimming, but I've vlogged some of the courses, so now we're at the 15th hole. It's so hot, but we just were at the Disney's All-Star Music Resort, and this is like a little bit of it, but we got a Dole Whip cupcake because my sister needed to try it for a blog post, so we ate that. I had some cookie dough, which they don't sell anywhere but here, and it was really good. It was getting too sweet to the point where like I couldn't eat anymore, but we had that, and now we're waiting for the Disney Springs bus to go and like walk around Disney Springs and shop a little bit and eat food, even though we just ate snacks. So we're gonna eat again because we're on the Disney dining plan, so you literally get so much food per day. So we're gonna wait for the bus, and I'll probably talk to you guys when we get to Disney Springs. Bye.
Taking pictures.
It is like 7:50. Yeah, 7:50. We have dinner at 7:40.
And we're eating at Boma, which is the buffet in Animal Kingdom Lodge in Jumbo House. So we're eating there. Now you can't see me. So we're gonna check in like 20 minutes earlier, but I think we're gonna walk to the arcade real quick. Love this lounge area in the lobby of Animal Kingdom Lodge. There's literally no one here. And it's so comfortable. And there's a Savannah lookout right there. You can go through the door. We just went in the pool and the hot tub. And now we're going back up to our room. But I think this is technically it for the night. We're not doing much. We're actually gonna watch a movie and go to sleep. But I'll say an official goodnight when we get upstairs. I lied, we're going back to the arcade. Okay, now we're going back to the room. Even though Guitar Hero ate like so much of my credits, it wouldn't let me play multiplayer. And my sister's sad. But it's okay. Trying to upload travel day, and literally this is what it says. This is so annoying. So these vlogs might be going up a little later than expected. But I look so sunburned, and I promise you it's literally the lighting, like I promise. But let me shut this so I can get the full length mirror. I'm in pajamas. But I think we're just gonna chill in the room right now. I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. And we're gonna watch a movie and then we're gonna go to sleep. And we have Animal Kingdom tomorrow. And we have a tour where we get to walk with the elephants and stuff. So we have that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. I don't think we're doing anything, so we're really just gonna chill. But I will see you guys in the morning.
Right, motherfucker, yeah.